yung conformity of these various companies to utilize the word West Philippines is a big victory for the Philippines.
Malaking tagumpay sa Pilipinas para sa National Security Council ang paggamit ng tech giant na Google na mga katagang West Philippine Sea. Ayon sa Google, matagal nang ginagamit ang West Philippine Sea sa Google Maps. Gayunman, ini-enhance nila ang label para mas madaling makita. Ito ang paliwanag ng Google matapos na purihin ng mga opisyal ng Philippine government ang Google Maps sa paggamit ng label na West Philippine Sea. Pag hinanap sa Google Map ang Scarborough o Panatag Shoal na nasa 200 nautical miles Exclusive Economic Zone o EEZ ng Pilipinas, matatagpuan ito sa karagatang tinukoy bilang West Philippine Sea. Tinututulan naman ito ng China. Ayon kay Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lin Jian, matagal na umanong ginagamit at kinikilala ng international community ang geographic name na South China Sea. Hinihikayat naman ni Philippine National Security Council Assistant Director General Jonathan Malaya ang iba pang lumilikha ng digital maps na gamitin na rin ang pangalang West Philippine Sea. Sa gitna ito ng patuloy na mga agresibong hakbang ng China sa pinag-aagawang teritoryo.
We thank Google, of course, and we also request, no? Sumama na yung ibang mga kumpanya, lahat ng gumagawa ng mga mapa, kung ano man yan, navigation na yan, please start using the West Philippine Sea because it's now becoming standard across the world.
Samantala, ikinababahala naman ng National Security Council official ang mga na-recover na underwater drones sa iba't ibang bahagi ng territorial waters ng bansa. Ayon sa Philippine Navy, batay sa forensic investigation, natukoy na nasa 55 hanggang 80% ng mga bahagi ng underwater drones ay may Chinese markings.
We always consider these types of activities by Chinese agents as alarming because the forensic investigation done on the drones that were found in strategic locations in the country, in particular those that were found off Masbate, very near San Juanico Strait, and some which were found in Subuto Strait in Surigao, were found to be conclusively of Chinese origin. Because in fact, some of the components there were found to be manufactured by China state organizations. So evidently, I think now we can conclusively say that these are Chinese underwater drones.
Naniniwala naman ng National Maritime Council, ginagamit sa intelligence gathering ang na-recover na underwater drones.
So basically, that's how far they would like to venture into our maritime territory.
Kaya ayon sa mga opisyal, dapat mas maging mapagmatyag pa at alerto ang mga kababayan sa pagbabantay at pangangalaga ng ating seguridad. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.